everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how the same website looks like in Windows, Mac, Linux, computer and Android, iOS smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, I will show you in the Raspberry computer. So if you're using a Windows, Mac or Linux, still the tricks will remain the same. So just open any web browser like Google Chrome or Edge web browser or Mozilla Firefox, whichever web browser you are using. Just open it, and in the Google search, just search for one application named as User Agent Switcher for Chrome, and on the first list you will see one website. Just click on it. Now just click on this Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension. So finally we have added the User Agent Switcher from Chrome. Now just click on this extension icon, and now just click on this pin icon. Now let us open one website, let's say Google. So this is the looks of the respective website on our respective Windows, Mac or Linux computer. So in order to see how this similar website looks like in Android or iOS smartphones on your respective computer, just click on this User Agent Switcher. And now you can see here iOS and Android. So we'll check in the iOS. Just click on it firstly. You can select the iPhone or you can select the iPad also. So let us check the iPhone firstly. Now you can see the website looks changes automatically, and let us try with the tablets like the iPad. So still it looks the same. And now let us try with the Android. So in Android you will see this kind of looks for this similar website. So now let us check out how we can do the similar tricks in the respective Android and iOS smartphones or tablets. So on your respective Android or iOS smartphones or tablets, just open the any web browser again and just open one website. Say this is a Google website, right? So this is the mobile version website which is shown right now. So let us check how this similar website look like in the Raspberry computer. So for this, just click on this three dot icons on the right top corner, and now you will see here one option, desktop site. So let us check. So now you can see here the website will change automatically to the desktop version, which is commonly seen in the Windows, Mac and Linux computer web browsers. So if you want to move back to the mobile website, just click on the three dot icons, just untick this. Now it will restore back to the mobile websites. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily find out the same website looks like in Windows, Mac, Linux computer and Android, iOS smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.